Now this is the addition machine. It is very useful for primary students to learn additions in an easy way. Let's example, take 2 marbles and drop it in section 2, and in another section I am taking 3 marbles and dropping in section 3. To know these two numbers addition, please drag 2 and 3. Now you will see the result. If we add 2 plus 3, that's equal to 5, and here we can see the 5 marbles are getting down. Once it is done, pull back these triggers to their place and place all the marbles in its places. 1 and 2 in 2, 3 marbles in the row 3, 4 in row 4, 5 in the row 5, 6 in the row 6, 7 in its row, 8 marbles in the number 8, 9 marbles in 9. So if you want to get any number additions, you can simply drag them here. I am going with 4 and 6, which is equal to 10. If anybody is interested to order this product, please visit our website, and the products are also made as per the person's requirement.